Trucks, trains, boats, and planes. Whether you're traveling down the street, across the country, or around the world, there are many ways to get from here to there. On the road, by rail, over water, or up in the sky, trucks, trains, boats, and planes are always on the move. Here are some vehicles that help people work, such as trucks that dig holes, and other vehicles that transport long distances, such as freight trains and cargo planes. Trucks. This is a pumper fire truck. Ambulance. A backhoe, dump truck, loader, and forklift. Zamboni machine, double-decker bus. Monster truck, armored truck. A garbage truck, a tow truck, a crane truck. Concrete mixer, bulldozer, excavator, quarry truck. Crawler transporter, cruiser motorcycle, off-road motorcycle. Semi-truck, tanker truck, delivery truck, vacuum truck. Trains, double-decker train, passenger train, subway train, people mover, trolley car, elevated train, light rail, monorail, freight train, boxcar, hopper car, tank car, well car, cog railway, funicular train, cable car, steam train, boats, destroyer, cargo ship, a barge, fishing trailer, tugboat, oil tanker, raft, sloop sailboat, hydroplane, motorboat, icebreaker, submarine, ferry boat, hospital ship, hovercraft, cruise ship, fireboat, yacht. Planes, cargo plane, solar-powered aircraft, propeller airplane, private jet, commercial jet, X-planes, supersonic transport, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, float plane, crop duster, glider, biplane, helicopter, and zeppelin. The end.